What is Jira software? It is a software.
Everything managed in cloud.
Bug tracking tool.
Bug tracking tool. Yes, it is correct. Bug tracking, one of the major service available in the Jira tool. Not only just for bug reporting and bug tracking. What do you mean by bug tracking, first of all? We are recording the defects in some database, maybe Excel database or Jira database, whatever. Let's say there are about 40 defects are recorded in the Jira tool or in Excel sheet. I want to track how many are resolved, how many are to be resolved. Out of 40, how many bugs are resolved, how many are to be resolved. Generally, we use a filter option in Excel. The same way we have some filter conditions in the Jira tool also. Like a Excel sheet, we can also record and manage our defects in a centralized cloud system, that is Jira tool. Bug reporting, one of the major service available in the Jira software. That doesn't mean Jira only used for bug reporting or bug tracking. The requirements you can define, scenarios we can define, test cases we can define, test cases we can execute, defects you can report. Complete your day-to-day work belongs to your project testing. All activities belongs to our project testing can be recorded and managed from a cloud server, which is Jira server. Jira is a cloud-based, the most popular agile project management tool. The old model, waterfall model, V model. Mostly today's software development methodology is agile model. Jira is the most popular agile project management tool available in the industry. The Atlassian company designed this product. Once you register with the Jira cloud, free account available, paid accounts available. Generally in the companies we go with the paid accounts. For learning purpose I am using the free account. A team collaboratively working from one location, that is Jira location, Jira server location. At first your Scrum Master create a project database in the Jira server. We create a project, for example, Primus Bank or an HRM. Inside the project, the Scrum Master will create the product backlog. What is product backlog? The list of business requirements, functionalities planned to implement in the product is called the backlog. A product backlog contains epics and stories. Generally, the old terminology we call requirement, waterfall model terminology. Same business requirements are referred as epics in the agile model. The epics will be created. Epic 1, Epic 2, and so on. Epic is nothing but the major business requirement planned to implement in the product. If this is Primus Bank application, one major business requirement, admin should be able to create and manage branches of the bank. Another major business requirement, customers should be able to, when you talk about customer model in the same banking product, customer should be able to make the money transfer. Or admin should be able to create and manage employees of the bank. These are called epics. Under one epic, under one business requirement, we can have multiple stories. Stories meaning the functionalities planned to implement in the product. Admin should be able to create a new branch, one story. Admin should be able to update the branch details, second story. Admin should be able to delete unwanted premise bank branches, story 3. Like one requirement name is, epic name is, admin should be able to create and manage branches of the premise bank. Admin should be able to define and manage branches of the premise bank, that is the epic. Various functionalities belongs to this requirement. Admin should be able to create a new branch. Admin should be able to update the existing branch details. Admin should be able to delete unwanted premise bank branches. These are called user stories. Functionalities belongs to a major requirement. Sorry. Right. We call them as scenarios previously. Here we are calling as stories. What do you mean by scenario? What are the functionalities to be tested? Admin should be able to create a new branch or not, one scenario. Here one story. Admin should be able to delete unwanted premise bank branches, other story, nothing but other scenario. For each functionality, there will be multiple task items. Task 1, task 2, and so on. Writing code for new branch creation, task 1. Writing test cases for new branch creation, task 2. Executing test cases of new branch creation, task 3. The Scrum Master will define the project, define the backlog, define epic stories and tasks, assign the tasks to the concerned developers and testers. Then, the Scrum Master will consider 2-3 major business requirements to implement in one schedule. This is nothing but a sprint. For example, sprint 1. How many business requirements are defined in this sample? 200 business requirements are defined. 200 epics. Each epic will have story and task item. But I cannot plan to implement all 200 epics at one schedule, a lengthy schedule. I'll make one short schedule, 1 week of schedule. A short schedule planned to implement 2-3 major business requirement is called as a sprint. I define the sprint 1. Say sprint 1. Assumption here, 2 major business requirements considered to implement in schedule 1 called sprint 1. Then work allotted to the team members. All these activities carried out by Scrum Master inside the Jira tool. Then the work allotted to developers and testers. The BA organize a meeting. Explain the requirements planned to implement in the current schedule to the development team and QA team in the Scrum meeting. 2 major business requirements planned to develop and test in the schedule 1, sprint 1. Once the sprint planning is done, BA will give the KT about these 2 requirements to the team members, developers and testers. Answer their questions, clarify their clarifications. Then developers start building the requirement. You start writing test cases because scenario is already documented here. What to be tested is nothing but scenario, nothing but the stories here. These are the 6 functionalities to be tested in the 2 requirements already defined. We are not planning hundreds or tens of requirements in one schedule. Only 2-3 major business requirements are planning. What are the functionalities to be covered under the 2 major business requirements defined as stories here by the Scrum Master? Work allotted to the team members. BA will give the KT about the planned epics called planned business requirement in the Scrum meeting. The team member posted some question, it's not clear, that's not clear. The BA will answer their questions. Then developers start building the code. You start creating the test cases. Every day I will not, if I am the Scrum Master, I will not ask my team members what you are doing, what is the work completed, because I log into this Jira software. Just a click, I come to know what is the current status of the work. Because where all the activities are getting recorded in the same server database. You are not writing test case on your workstation, on your laptop. You are not executing test cases from your local environment. Every activity we are executing from the centralized cloud. Every activity is getting recorded here. I will not ask any of my team members what is the work status. Just I log into my Jira server. A click away, I come to know what is the current status of the product. There are various statuses for every work item here. Generally in Jira terminology, every work item, every work artifact will be called as a issue type. Epic, story, task, test cases, bugs, all generally called as issue types. For every issue type, there will be three possible statuses: to do, in progress, and done. Initially, all work items are appear under my board in to-do list, what to do. Once the people started working on it, the status will be changed to in progress. Once the work completed, the status will be changed to done. So I'll track what are all in progress, what are all pending, what are all done. When all issued items are done, when all work items are done, I complete the sprint, plan the next sprint. Practically, we see how this work happens inside the Jira tool. Note on this diagram. Yesterday, I given some brief notes about the various terms you are seeing in this diagram. A product backlog is a list of items planned to implement in the product. Totally, what are the various items planned to implement in the current product is called a product backlog. A product backlog contains epics and stories. A business requirement is called an epic. The functionalities planned to implement in the product are called stories. A planned work item is called a task. 2-3 major epics, business requirement considered to develop and test in one schedule called sprint. The Scrum Master, developer, tester, team lead, client, BA, all these people given login access to the Jira cloud. Every work, every activity is getting recorded in the centralized cloud, nothing in the local machines. Taken? Now let me explain how to make use of this Jira software for the day-to-day testing related work to carry out the testing related tasks. Nothing to be installed on your computers because it is everything on cloud. The Atlassian company providing these cloud services, they take care of managing the database, server, hardware, software, infrastructure, whatever you need. No need to install anything in your environment. It's a Atlassian company product. Company name is Atlassian. Already my account is login. I log out first. id.atlassian.com. There are so many products they're offering. It's already a login. Right. Actually, my password was saved in the browser history. I deleted my browser history. Last week you asked me, sir, up to 5th only I am able to see the videos. What happened? You tell me what happened. Your browser need to be refreshed. Okay. Right. id.atlassian.com. id.atlassian.com is a URL. You can sign up an account. First time you can create an account. Sign up your account. Create an account. You can enter your email ID, click sign up, or you can continue with the Google. So any online team member, please share your computer screen. I'll help you how to create the account because my account already there. Right. Go to google.com. Multitasking people. Go to google.com. Jira login. Already you are in Google. Jira login. Space login. Yes. Click the first link. Log into your account. Do you have an account? No. Ajay, you don't have an account in Jira, right? First time you need to sign up your account. Sign up the account. Sign up for an account. Here, you can give your email ID sign up or directly you can sign up with Google. Better you go with Google. Continue with Google. Choose your account. Create your account. So very first time you can sign up for an account like this. The Atlassian company offering many products. Which product you want to use? The very first one second here. Our product, it is showing our products. Jira, Confluence, there are many softwares are available, all are cloud-based software. Here we are exploring about the Jira software belongs to their company. All these, the list of products offered by the company, we are using here Jira product. Click on Jira software. Let us scroll down. Scroll down. It is showing just a small demonstration of what actually it is here. Some screenshot of the windows. To do, in progress, in review, something like this. Scroll up. The 4 days remaining to complete the sprint 1. You little scroll down. Who are the team members working on this product? What are all in to do? What are all in progress? What are all completed? How many days are still remaining to complete the schedule 1? It's a board actually. It's called Jira board. We'll see all of this. They just highlighted some major screenshots of the Jira tool here. You scroll down. Down. Okay. Go top. Go top. Fine. Now, you want to use the free version. On the right, you have an option, get it free. Click it. Right, once again. The Jira software. Select a second product. No, we do not want any second product. Scroll down. Next. Click on next button. See here. It is asking a site name. I'll make Ajay as Scrum Master. Assume that Ajay is Scrum Master. Okay? Now this Scrum Master, actually in companies we go with a paid account. Here we are going with free account. We'll create a website. As it is a cloud-based application, you need to select a name for your website. In the free account, primary name, whatever the name you give, .atlassian.net. First of all, this name should be available in the web. Give some name. Your name. It's not available. Already somebody taken this, like your Gmail account. No, you give the name Ajay. Okay. No. You give Ajay. Ajay. QH. Spelling mistake. QH, EDGE. One E is enough. QEDGE. It's also taken. Somebody used it. You remove keywords. Okay, very good. It's also taken. 1 second. Must be at least 3 characters. Numerals or lowercase letters only. Cannot start or end with a hyphen. Give Ajay underscore Jira. Underscore. Hyphen. Okay, no issue. Jira. What is this? No, not at the rate. Do not give at the rate. Say the website. Give Ajay 0123 0123. One second. It's available now. Okay, uppercase given. It's a domain name. Okay, Ajay 0123. Ajay0123.atlassian.net is the website URL. The Atlassian company creating a website in the web. As it is a free account, the extension will be .atlassian.net. If you go with a paid account, you please observe, do not worry, you can change this later. Once you make the payment, paid account, instead of atlassian.net, you can use your company name.com. Like Jira.qvettech.com. If I go with a paid account, Jira.qvettech.com, like lun.qvettech.com. Lun.qvettech.com you are using, right? The same way, Jira.qvettech.com. This white label solution available only in the paid account. In the free account, their domain URL. Click agree. Click agree and continue. Skip all of these questions. Not required. They are building a website for you. Actually, they have a product, right? Jira product. This Jira product I'll copy into this new website. That is what happening now. The entire Jira software, a copy will be deployed into the domain just now whatever he created. Once it is created, the URL will change. So this is a software as a service concept. Yesterday I told you Shopify. Once you register with the Shopify, you name your website abcshopping.com. Their product Shopify a copy will be made into your abcshopping.com. Complete website you will get readily. Only you have to change the logo, change the products you are selling and start to using it. Every feature available will be automatically copied. No need to create any new feature. Because they made the platform like that. You please observe the site now. You please observe the URL. Now the website is ready. ajayjera123.atlassian.net. Okay. Not only this Ajay, anybody in the internet can type this URL to access this product, provided Ajay, the Scrum Master need to invite the team members to collaborate with this project. You can see, but you cannot log in. Only the team members who are invited by the Scrum Master can log in and continue. It is available in the web now, not in any local environment. Okay? Help us to set up your Jira. First, it is configuration of the Jira. Sometimes Scrum Master has good experience, Scrum Master will do it. Or generally the admin will take care of it. Even in DevOps concept, Jira administration also one of the DevOps configuration tool. Jira, everything related to infrastructure related to a company should be managed by the DevOps team. Fine. Skip all of this. Skip. Wait here. You little scroll up. Okay, no issue. Creating a project template it is. We have a template called Kanban template. Click on more templates. Click on more templates. We have Kanban template, Scrum template, bug tracking. I can use Jira for Scrum project. Only for bug reporting also I can use. And we have another model called Kanban model. We are using Scrum. Select the Scrum option. Select it. You are creating a Scrum project. Name your project. Say for example, Online people, please mute the remaining people. Ajay, type you the project name, Primus Bank. Yesterday in an Excel sheet, I consolidated given the details. Same I am putting here. Project name should not contain white spaces, remove the white space. Primus Bank is the project name. Click on create. Right. There are many plugins available for the Jira software. Automating email, automating SMS. There are so many integrations are available for Jira software. Actually, these integrations are nothing but APIs. Skip. The Google meetings, Microsoft meetings, many plugins you can configure. Leave it. Invite your team members. Later also you can invite your teammates. Click done. Now you have not invited any team members to collaborate with this project. This is a dashboard of the Jira software. Once you log in, this is a home page of the Jira software. Explore myself. If you click on take the tool, it will show some snapshots or some small videos how to make use of this tool. Explore myself. Click on explore myself link. A quick start. It will explain how to make use of this product. Not required. On the bottom of the window, you see dismiss quick start. You click it. You scroll down. No, on the right side, quick start. Very frequently they are updating the product. I should close this. Scroll to top. You minimize this window by clicking on the upper arrow icon. Down. No, that will maximize. Down. Deliver more often. No, you little scroll up. See, deliver more often, right? You click it. Yes, on the right side, upper arrow button. Okay. Where is this dismiss option? Okay, leave it later, we'll see. You maximize the window. Okay, leave it further, we'll see this. This is a Jira dashboard. See, you don't have a control over this product. Completely the software, tomorrow if they introduce a new option, they may change the options. It is available in their cloud. Nothing is available in our environment. Through internet, we are connecting to their product website. We are using Gmail. Tomorrow, Google company may introduce one more feature, remove some feature. We have to use it, same way it is. But generally, they do not disturb the existing things. Fine. Now, here our Scrum Master, Ajay, created a project with the name Primus Bank and log into the Jira server. You see on the left side, we have so many options here. There is an option called product backlog, short-lived backlog. I told you after creating the project, what is the next task? Defining the product backlog. Right now, Ajay was at product backlog option. In the product backlog, you have to create the epics and stories. On the top of the window, you have an option, create option. Click on create. Here. Projects, filters, dashboard, people, apps, and create. Anything you can create from here. A test case you can create from here. Epic you can create from here. Any issue type you can create from the same window. The name of the project, Primus Bank. Issue type. You click the second drop down list. Show the values. No, let us scroll up. Story, there is a option story, right? You scroll up. I said second drop down list. You click here, listen everybody, hold it. What are the various issue types available by default in the Jira server? Epic, story, task, and bug. By default, Jira software provided 4 issue types. Epics, story, task, and bug. Do you have an issue type here called test cases? I can record a bug using the issue type bug. I can define the requirement using the issue type epic. I can define the scenarios using the issue type story. I can create the task item. I want to write test cases inside the Jira tool. I want to write test cases, execute test cases inside the Jira tool, from the Jira tool. I don't find any issue type here. It did a separate issue type for writing and executing the test cases. Cancel this window. On the bottom, we have an option cancel. If you want to write test cases, execute test cases inside the Jira tool, we need to install a plugin for Jira. We have to install some add-on for the Jira software. Go to apps on the top menu. Apps, click it, hold it. There are many apps, many add-ons, many plugins available for the Jira software. Explore more apps. Little scroll down. There are many apps available. Little scroll down. Slowly scroll down. Down. Scroll down. Each app designed for a particular purpose. Hold here. Each plugin made for Jira tool for different purposes. You please observe there is a plugin available here, the middle one. Jaffi Squad. Just you read the description. A quick start you are testing in Jira. It's a test management tool for Jira. You just click it. We need to install this plugin. What is the plugin name? Jaffi Squad is the plugin name, which is used for writing and executing test cases inside the Jira software. You need to install it. Right free. It is again a paid plugin. Start your free trial. All this comes under Jira administration. As it is a training, we are exploring all of this option. Actually, in the company level, you don't have option to do all of this. Admin level person will set up this, correct? What is a tester or a developer given a login account? It is your login account. You log in, whatever the work, your work, you are going to update your work. You will not configure the Jira server. But as it is a learning, I am teaching you, you are setting up the Jira server also. Right. The test management for Jira was added to the server. After configuring this, after adding this plugin, we have to create a new issue type to make use of it. How? Go back to your project. Select your project name. Right now, you please observe there is an option here, Jaffi Squad. Previously, you don't have this. After installing the plugin only, you see this option here. Click it. It's loading. It is loading in the cloud. Okay. You little scroll down the window, scroll down the page. One moment. There are three. Maximize the window. Right. Everybody please observe here. Now you scroll down, little scroll down. Hold. There are three steps you have to follow to configure this Jaffi Squad in your system. You installed it, fine. What is the purpose of installing this plugin? I want to write test case and execute test case inside the Jira tool. To write test cases, to execute test cases inside the Jira tool, you need an extra plugin, Jaffi Squad, that is installed. That add-on also need to be configured. It is giving the guidelines what to do. First, you need to download that icon. The software comes with a small icon. Step 1, download the Jaffi Squad icon. Download it. Click download link. It is downloaded. Done. What is the second step? Create a issue type in the project settings. Click on project settings. On the left also you have option. There also the same link is available. In the project settings, we have issue types here. What are the default issue types available in the Jira software? Epic, story, bug, task. We don't have an issue type called test for writing test cases. I need one more issue type, test, for creating test cases. That is what we are doing now. We are configuring a new issue type. Add issue type. Click on the link, add issue type. Enter the name for the issue type, test. Nothing but test cases, test. Give the description about what is this issue type. This issue type used for writing and executing test cases. Executing, spelling mistake. Excellent. Executing test cases. Here we have an option. It is asking to change the icon. Enough. Just a description. It's an optional actually. You are describing what is this issue type. That's it. While configuration. We have a link. No. Icon. Change the icon. By default, we are getting some icon, but better to give a appropriate icon. That is the first step. We have downloaded the icon given by the software. Upload a photo. Here we have an option, upload a photo. Already you downloaded, right? Don't upload your photo here. We downloaded one image here, icon here. This is the icon we have downloaded earlier. Select. Create. It's not mandatory step, last step. Actually, Jaffa squared icon we are uploading. Done. After this, just we created a issue type. Actually, these are the various templates available in the Jira software. These templates you can configure as per your company process. The Jira software provided some predefined templates for writing test cases, for recording the defect. They have their own format. Mostly common templates they have given. Still, you are allowed to change the templates as per your company process requirement. See, the templates are nothing but the issue types. See here, in manual testing, what we did, I shown you some Excel templates, right? Scenario template, RTM template, test case template. It's an Excel template. Same in the software, we have the template. The templates are nothing but issue type. Each template they define with common fields. Still, you are allowed to modify the template as per your company requirement. We'll explain how to modify when we start writing the test case or whatever. After this step, go back to the project settings. Go back to project settings on the left. So go to, back to project. Select Jaffa squared again. Select it. See, in these 3 steps, let us scroll down. Let us scroll down. We downloaded an icon, went to project setting, we created an issue type. After this, select the issue type. Select the issue type. Above, yes. Whatever the issue you have created is created, but not yet enabled. Not yet enabled. If I go to create option, this test you will not see. Once it enabled, then only it will appear. Select it. Select the template you have created, enable it. This is the configuration. We added one more template into the Jira tool for writing test cases. Test is the template name we have given. Okay? Right. It help not equal limit. Dismiss. Now you click create button. Select the issue type. You are seeing the test now, which is not available earlier. So by default, Jira software comes with 4 templates. I can use a word template, 4 templates, 4 issue types. Epic. For writing requirements, one template called Epic. For writing scenarios, one template called Story. For recording the defect, there is a template called Bug. For assigning the task to the team, there is a template called Task. In addition to this, in order to write test cases, we need one more template. That is what we have just configured by installing a plugin, Jaffa Squared. Clear about this? Right. Once it is done, no, later we'll create everything. Close this window. Close this window, cancel. Back to the project. Back to project. Here we have back to, okay, no issue. You little scroll down the window, left side. We have project setting. Again, go to project settings. As of now, how many people have access to this project? Only Ajay. Only Ajay. You please observe on the left side, project settings, we have access. So Jira is not any coding tool. It's a ready-made software we have to use as per our day-to-day work requirement. First you configure, set up, then we start using it. Any software, first you need to configure it according to your requirement, then we start using it. We are learning this setup, Jira configuration. Generally the company's admin will do it, not each and every team member. Fine. You click on access. Second link, correct. See, you please observe here, as of now only Ajay has access to this project. You go to people on the top. No, people. Cancel it. See, listen, Ajay, hold for a moment. These 4 people are already working in some other project. Already they have accounts in Jira software. They are working. Earlier they registered with Jira. They have accounts in Jira. My team already has accounts in Jira software. Now the same team I am moving to a new project. They need to register with Jira again? Already they have accounts. Directly I add these people into the new project. That is called add people. If already users have Jira account, directly I can add them. But first time, if you do not have, my team member do not have a Jira account, first I need to invite them for creating a Jira account. Later I will add them. Got it? Go to people on the top. There is option invite a teammate. Click on it. Invite a teammate. One moment. Here, Ajay is Scrum Master. Okay. Online people, I wanted one person, two people, one person to work as a tester, one person to work as a developer. You should be able to share your computer screen so that we can understand how multiple people will work together. What I'm trying to do, if I demonstrate on my mission only me, sometimes I am a Scrum Master, I am the developer, I am the tester, my account, you will be confused. Instead, how 3 people, 4 people work together from a centralized system, I'm trying to demonstrate like this. Got it? Now, online people who are able to share your computer screen, I wanted 2 email IDs. Is online people busy? Sorry if I'm disturbing you. Venkat, are they muted or what?
No, sir.
Right. Yes, Vita.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What's your name?
Shweta.
Right. So you connected with the laptop or mobile?
Laptop, sir.
Good. Will you able to share your computer screen after some time?
No, sir. Can I share your notes?
No, not now.
Okay,
No.
sir.
Right. Share your Gmail ID in our Zoom chat.
Okay, sir.
Will you work as a developer?
I will work as a tester, sir.
You try. I'll guide you. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Good. No, I'll demonstrate as a tester. Because you know how to write scenario, how to write test cases, how to execute test cases, how to find the bugs, how to report the bugs. There are many tasks. So I will work as a tester here. I'll make Shweta as a developer. Ajay, invite Shweta to collaborate with this project. In the Zoom chat,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
give an email ID.
No, sir.
I sent the mail ID, sir. My mail ID.
No, in the Zoom chat, type your email ID.
I sent it, sir, already.
Do
I
it
didn't
once.
get. Yes, yes, sir. I get it. Sir.
No. This is not Shweta ID.
Okay.
Somebody else.
And Jyoti. Okay.
Right. Take it. Ajay, take this ID. Copy the ID. Paste it. One moment. Click on add person. No, you cancel it.
This one, sir?
You started from invite or directly add people?
No, sir. Invite.
Cancel. Let me confirm. Cancel. People. Invite a teammate. Copy the email ID. Okay. Click on add one person. The same way, you add my mail ID also. You please observe here. From the Scrum Master, Ajay, we sent an email to Shweta, confirming you add them to Jira software. Shweta, you receive a invitation to collaborate with this project. Once you accept the invitation, then only you become official member of this product.
Okay, sir. I'll open my
The Scrum
Gmail.
Master invited you to collaborate with this project. You need to accept this invitation. Check your Gmail. You receive
Okay,
invitation.
sir.
Okay, please wait. And Ajay, invite me also to collaborate with this project. I'm giving my email ID here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I done it.
Right.
Yeah, I got it.
You accept that invitation. Once you click
Sir,
on
I
accept,
I
join
joined
the-
it. Yes,
one
sir.
moment. Ajay, will you stop your screen sharing? Shweta, share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Like this, generally the team members will get an invite.
I shared my screen, sir. Did you get it?
Yes. One second. Yes, it is asking to join, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, enter your name and create a password. Actually, me or Sweta will receive an email from the Scrum Master. Join the team. When I click join the team, it will redirect you to this window. The full name, and we need to set up the password for our account.
Yes. Yeah. Anything I can give.
Password also you want me to tell?
No, sir.
Me also
Yes,
got the email. I'm clicking on join team.
Can I sign up, sir?
Yes, sign up.
Middle right side. First right. Down left.
So can I skip?
Skip all the questions. Skip all of the questions.
Okay, sir. Again, I want to skip, sir.
Yes, yes. Even I also accepted the invitation via mobile.
I'm skipping, sir. This one also.
Yes, skip all of this. You please observe the URL. Same domain, correct?
Yes, sir.
Same domain. Everybody working on the same domain, same database, same server. Even I also log in with my account. Skip all of the questions. The same process. Well, madam, stop your computer screen sharing. You have a lot of work to do. You are a developer. Well, stop your computer screen sharing.
Yeah, sir. I'm doing.
Okay, it's Ajay's screen now.
Yeah, sir. I stopped it, sir.
Thank you.
No, it's. Thank you.
Ajay, share your screen again. You close this window. Successfully added. Just close the notification. Reload the window. Reload this window. Okay. You click on add people. You click add people. Type the 2 email IDs once again. Because they have accepted your invitation, directly you can add them now. Yes, select it. And type the Sweta email ID also. You can add multiple people at one shot. It is asking a role of these people. What is the default role available here? Admin. You please observe role of these users. Is it correct? One second. Shweta, is it correct? Do not add. Hold for a moment, Ajay.
Is it correct only, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sweta Krishna.
Okay. Click on add. Now what happens? It will show you it's a cloud system, right? Somebody else has same names also, it will show you. Okay, done. Reload the window now. Like not required. You please observe here. The 3 people are the official contributors of this project. These 3 people can work together on this project now. And do observe, every user has default role. What is the default role? Everybody is admin now. Sweta has admin permission, me has admin permission, even Ajay also has. But actually in a company, every user will not have admin permission. Admin meaning everything. Okay? Now you have to configure the settings, roles. You please observe there is a notification project access. Ajay, read it. There is a notification to you here. Anyone with this access, with access to the Ajay Jira 123 site can access and administer the project. Upgrade your plan to customize the project permissions. Click on upgrade your plan. Got it. Scroll down. How many users you wanted? 3 to 10. You select the number of users you wanted. Just click on change button. So standard also available for 14 days trial. Try it free for 14 days. Click on try it free for 14 days. Let's see. Make your card ready. Ajay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am taking card person.
Not required. Cancel it. Not required. Not required. Generally, you know, this kind of software automatically after 14 days will deduct.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Again, why all this headache? Go back. Back to site setting. In the company, they will go with a paid account. When you go for a paid plan, then only you have an option to configure the permissions. Generally, in a free plan, they are asking you to explore it. If you are okay, you can use it. Right. No, not required. Nothing is required. Right. Back to project. Click on back to project. But as of now, see, as a learning point of view, every user will get everything. But in a company level, in the paid accounts, if a developer login, only developer-related options are visible to developer. When a tester login, only tester-related features will be visible to the tester. When Scrum Master admin login, everything will be visible to the Scrum Master. And the two learning point of it is better option. In general, in a company, if you go with your login with your account, you see only two links here. Everything will be disabled. Only testing-related options will be visible to you. Your account will not have even permission to create epic also. Because who will create epics in the company? Scrum Master, not a tester. Only what you can do, creating test cases, executing test cases, recording the bugs. Only these three features will be visible to you. That is a fact. Fine. Now go back to the product backlog. Go to the backlog. Backlog. On the left, you have backlog.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Right. See, as of now, what our Scrum Master did, Ajay did, created a new project and added one plugin called Jaffa Squared. Invited the team members to collaborate with this project. Now, your Scrum Master will create the product backlog, epics and stories. Now, there is nothing here. There is nothing as of now. Click on create button. No. On the top, you have create option. Close this window, cancel. You see on the right side bottom, dismiss quick start. Click on the link dismiss quick start on the right side bottom so that the window will become a little bigger. Done. Click on create now. First you have to create an epic. Select an epic. Epic summary. Create and manage. Epic summary meaning, epic meaning a major business requirement. Create or manage. Better you remove this summary. Define like this.
Can I give remote
branch
control,
management.
sir?
Update the summary like this. Branch management. It's a summary, not description. Branch management. Scroll down. You have the next column, description. In the description column, you give more details about this requirement. Admin should able to create and manage. Admin should able to create and manage Primus Bank branches. Primus Bank branches is one of the major requirements. The admin should able to create and manage Primus Bank branches. It is called one major requirement called an epic. Branches. Wait, scroll down slowly, step by step. Scroll down, hold here. Assigning. Are you assigning this work to developers and testers? No, it is a requirement. Click assign to me. Assign to me, yes. No.
Suresh Babu, sir? Only.
No. Yes.
Okay.
Here I am a tester. I am not Suresh Babu. Here, as per our discussion, I am a tester. Sweta is a developer. You are the Scrum Master. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
You are assigning test case related work to me.
Yes, sir.
Code related work to Sweta. Rest of the work you are managing.
Yes, sir.
Right. And scroll down. Remaining all are optional. Not at all required. Colors and all not required. Labels, comments, colors. Click on create. Click create. Right. You don't think in the middle of the window there is option epic. Yes, click there. Show epic panel. This is a toggle operation. Make it enabled. Yes, click there. Now you see on the left side, enough. Branch management is appearing here. Branch management is appearing here. Okay? Right, leave it. Now, after creating an epic, one epic will have multiple stories. You need to define the stories. Again, click on create button. This time, select the issue type as story. The first story. Yesterday, I given 3 samples. Yesterday, whatever I given in the template, same way I are updating in the Jira tool now. 3 stories I have given. First, new branch creation or branch creation, simply branch creation. First story, summary, branch creation. Creation or registration, whatever. Give the description. Admin should able to create new branches for Primus Bank. New branches for Primus Bank. Yes, little scroll down. Assign to me. Click on assign to me. No, there is an option. Okay. No.
Okay, sir. Tell me.
There is a link, right? Assign to me link.
Yes, sir.
You are creating, you are assigning this work to you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Only testing later work you are going to assign to me. Fine. Click on this. Right. Click on create button. Same way you create the remaining 2 stories. If you scroll down the right side, the stories whatever you have created will appear on the window. No, on the right side. Scroll the window. For every issue you are creating, automatically it will assign a number. What is the name of the project you have given? Primus Bank. With the first 4 characters, a keyword will be created. Prime. And for every issue you are creating, automatic serial number will be assigned. Prime 1, that is issue. Sorry, epic. Branch management. Second issue he created. Prime 2, branch creation.
Branch creation.
Create one more story. Story only. Use the story you are creating. Story 2. Give the summary. Branch updation or branch modification. Branch modification is the summary. Give more details. Admin should able to modify. Admin should able to modify existing branch details. Address change, contact number change. Admin should able to modify, update existing branch details. Existing.
Yes. Can I tell you spelling, sir? Sorry.
How it come? Existing branch details. Click create. Assign to me. Click on assign to me link. Create one more story. Last story.
Sorry, sir.
Deleting a branch. Summary, deleting a branch. Deleting branch. Or branch deletion. Previously, what are the names you given? Branch creation, branch modification, then you change it, not deleting. Branch deletion. Write it this way better. Branch deletion. Deletion. What is delete spelling?
Deletion, sir.
So you only software design like this. Click on create button. That is called usability, correct? That is called user friendliness. Well, and now define 3 task item. Create. Click on create again. All it is Scrum Master job. Select the task. Select the task under the issue type.
Yes, sir. Select.
No. Issue type.
Issue type. Okay.
Story we have.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Task.
Okay.
Task summary. Code for new branch creation. Code for new branch creation. New branch creation. It is a summary, correct? You have to give more description, detailed description to the developer. Write in this way. Implement or develop otherwise. Develop UI, user interface. For whom you Scrum Master assign this word? Developer. Listen everybody. In Agile model, Scrum model, documentation, much documentation we don't follow. We are not planning tons of requirements, hundreds of requirements in one schedule. Maximum 2-3 requirements. If I give more details to my developers and tester, if I am a Scrum Master, very quickly what happens? Otherwise, I need to clarify their doubts. Simply rather than asking a developer, you write the code for new branch registration. One way of instructing a developer. Write the code for new branch registration. Again, the developer will come to me. Okay, sir, I'll write the code. What are the fields required? I don't have any SRS and FRS. A meeting given. KT also given. After this, again the KT will be given, right? After assigning about the KTs will be given. BA is giving the KT above the 2 requirements planned to implement in the schedule 1. So we have to develop as per the sprint 1 plan. We have to develop these 2-3 functionalities. This is the UI you have to develop. These are the fields required. These are the things required. Will be given. Generally, in Scrum Master side also, they give more details in the task description itself. Okay. Develop UI with following fields. Develop the user interface for new branch creation with following fields. Fields. Right. Go to the next line. Press enter. List of the field names. Branch name number 1.
Can I write number 1?
Put the numbers. 1. Not 1.0, just 1. Okay, whatever the branch name. Branch name. Inside the brackets. Yes. Mandatory. Just for your understanding how Scrum Master will assign the work, I am writing this. In Agile model, you don't find any detailed requirement specification, SRS and FRS. Then how come the developer will understand what are the fields I have to implement? What are the conditions I have to implement? That is more detailedly described here. Mandatory, comma, not just mandatory, comma, alphabets only. Just for your understanding, the Scrum Master will detailedly describe a task like this. So this developer no need to refer any requirement document again. Comma, minimum 4 characters. Minimum 4 characters. Enough, min, space, okay, minimum 4 characters. 4 characters, CHARS, make it short. Characters, comma, and otherwise give a space. Maximum of 40 characters. Just for your understanding, generally Scrum Master will describe the task like this. So that developer no need to refer any requirement document once again, correct? Will speed up the work. Less questions. Because clearly task item is described. Maximum of 40 characters. Close this. Close the parenthesis. Second field. Address 1. Address 1. Address 1. In brackets. Mandatory. Just mandatory. There is no other condition given, meaning it can accept any field. Like,
Can I
next,
close it, sir?
Close it. Next field, address 2. Address 2, optional. Like this, remaining fields also will be listed like this. Country, state, city, something like that. And you press 2 enters. Right. Like this, remaining fields also will be listed. Understood the process, right? What happened, Ajay?
Yes, sir. Just. Hello, sir. Hello?
Yes. I am not able to see your current screen.
Sir.
Stop again, share your screen. Yes, share your screen again.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now, maybe after the field 3, give some space. Write one more statement. Develop required DB tables. Develop required DB tables. Database tables. Not only UI, database also needed, right? UI, okay, where the data will be finally stored in the system, database. Developer need to create the required database tables. Develop required DB tables. Required, correct it?
Full form.
Yes, you have your option. Required. Yes, remove that R. Like this, actually clearly it will be described. More clear description will speed up the job. Less questions to the next me. If I clearly describe, the team member will not come to me again. Correct? Otherwise, sir, what is that? What is this? How it is? I need to waste my time. Instead, clearly it will be described. Then assignee. Click on assignee. This task you are assigning to whom? Developer. Developer. Yes. Select it. Now scroll down. Nothing required. Click on create button. Click on create. Like, create one more task. Create one more task. So in between you check, you received a mail from your Scrum Master.
Okay, sir.
One more issue, one more task. Write test cases. Write test cases for new branch creation.
Sir, I got the mail last 15 minutes back, sir.
Maybe the mail is on the way. Hold for 2 minutes. You receive the mail, madam, quick.
Okay,
Right
sir.
test cases.
For new branch creation. Write test cases for new branch creation. Right, let us scroll down. It is summary. Give the description. Write positive or negative test cases. Write positive or negative test cases. Supposing detailed time available, he will describe like this. There is a short time. Write only positive test cases, he will describe like this. Positive or negative test cases for new branch registration. For new branch registration. Registration. You choose your option. Right. Assign to me, Suresh Babu. Assign to the tester. Right. Correctly assign. Click on create. Click create. The last task. Create one more task. Whatever I demonstrated in the last Excel sheet, everything I am writing here. For your understanding, quick reference. See, because in the Jira software, everything will not be visible at one shot. For that reason, yesterday I given one template where everything is documented. Create the last task item. Execute test cases. Or test case execution, whatever it may be. Execute test cases. Execute test cases for new branch creation. Right. You type the same, copy and paste. First of all, this description is optional, not mandatory. Assign to tester. Assign to tester. Create. Right. Now here, you now little scroll up on the right side. There are 3 task items, there are 3 stories, there is one epic, right? Scroll top, scroll to top. Little scroll to top. Scroll to top.
I got the mail, sir. Just
Okay, hold madam.
okay, sir.
No, Ajay, you scroll top, hold here. You please observe here. It is asking sprint 1 because as of now, no sprints are created. Automatically is assigning a serial number 1, sprint 1. Plan your sprint. There are many epics. Actually, I have only one epic here for our understanding. Actually, project will have 20, 30, 40 epics. There are so many stories, so many task items. First, product backlog meaning everything. A list of items, totally bulk. But we don't plan all at one schedule. Plan your sprint 1. Plan your schedule 1. What are all the items you plan to implement in the schedule 1 need to be tracked here. Right. You little scroll down. You please observe this clearly describing drag issues. Assumption in the schedule 1, sprint 1, only new branch creation related work we are planning. That is assumption. Drag branch creation to top. Drag branch creation, drop at sprint area. Don't click it, don't click it. You just drag and drop. You move it to top. Top. Little scroll up. It will show you the sprint area. No. You little scroll up. Scroll the window to top. Right. Now you need to move it to the sprint section. Move top. Yes, correct. Excellent. Leave it here. Like one by one, What are the various items you plan to implement in the sprint one need to be drag and drop. We have a bulk of items here. Let's say there are 100. In this 100, only 4 plan to implement in the schedule one. The 4 need to be dragged. Remaining show under pending. Maybe in the second sprint or sprint like that. Product backlog meaning everything. What you are planning to finish in the schedule one need to be drag and drop. Plan your sprint. Same way, drag 3 task items and drop. Because the 3 tasks also related to the story branch creation. Code for new branch registration, drag and drop. Right, you leave it, later you can rearrange also. Writing test cases, executing test cases, drag and drop in sprint area. Right, the last one also. Fine. For your understanding, I considered only one story here. Actually speaking, minimum 2-3 epics will be considered in one schedule, not just one functionality. Got it? Either 2 epics or 1 epic or 1 story or 100 story procedure is this. Now we have an option start sprint. Click on start sprint. Click start sprint on the right. So Scrum Master decided what to be implemented in the schedule 1 and start the sprint. Once sprint started, in between you cannot disturb it. Plan is plan. No plan B. Only one plan. No workarounds in agile model. T20 have workarounds? There are no workarounds. One schedule. Tomorrow we play remaining game. Because of the rain, nothing is possible. Correct? Whether that game to be closed on the same day itself. No plan B in the T20. Correct? At any cost will be postponed. Today game started rain. Whatever the way that will be concluded today itself. Either way, either results. So 4 issues are considered in the sprint 1. Duration. Select the duration. Scrum Master will plan the duration. How much time required? 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, maximum of 2 weeks. Select 1 week. 1 week. Today date. End of the date. By 24th, the work need to be finished. No, you don't need to select it. You already selected 1 week. You have a customization option also. Did you observe that? Click on duration. Click on the duration. 2 days I want to do, I can go for custom. Not required. Select 1 week. Sprint goal. Type here. By end of the sprint. By end of the sprint. By end of the sprint, we have to complete. No. By end of this sprint, right, we have to finish, we have to complete new branch creation. Some description will be given. Requirement names will be given. We have to complete epic 1, epic 2. For your understanding, I described like this. Start. Once game started, till the close, we have to play. Right. Now, you please observe here. Once a sprint started, listen everybody. Once the sprint started, they will take to the board. What is the board? Current board meaning what are the items you plan to complete in the current schedule. The board will show you only the current items you consider to implement in the current schedule. Backlog will show you everything. Board will show what are the items are available under the current schedule, sprint 1. You please observe here, to do. You let it scroll down. Scroll down the window on the right side. These are the various items available under the current schedule. Go to backlog. Backlog will show everything. Scroll down. Backlog will show everything. What is the current status? Little scroll up. What is the current status? To do. For whom the work is assigned. Their profile names also will be visible here. Right. Come back to the board now. The board will show you not everything. What are the various stories or epics are considered to implement in the current schedule? Only visible on the board. By default, all items are under the status to do. To do meaning pending. Once the people started working, in progress. Once the work is completed, done. If everything is done, the Scrum Master will complete the sprint. Everything to be done within the time. On the right side, it will show you the duration. Once you started working, it will show the duration. Where is that? 4 days remaining here. Why only 4 days? 1 week we selected, right? Saturday, Sunday will not be considered. It is software company. In the scheduler itself, Saturdays and Sundays will not be considered. Right. At any cost, people will not work on Saturday, Sunday in software companies. Mostly 99.99% people will not work. Friday afternoon itself, holiday. They come to office in the Monday evening. That's a fact. Saturday or Friday mornings or Friday afternoon onwards, weekend will start. And again they come to office by Monday. If we ask by today, they say delay today. So yesterday weekend we go with family, we went outing. So they said, okay then, do the work. Almost 3 days are gone. How many hours a software employee works in a company? 8 hours. You will show me one person who works in 8 hours? Maximum 1.5 hours, 2 hours. If really 8 hours seriously software people are working, how the people are giving trainings and all? The very fact. Correct? Software is not hours-based work. Software work. Software work is objective-based work, work-based work. I am assigning a work to you. You spend 24 hours or 2 hours, that is your choice. Finish my work, that's it. By what time you are starting, by what time you are ending, I don't ask you. By end of the day, I need to the work to be done. How you are doing, I don't ask you. My work to be done. Because we are not doing a watchman job. Time to time job. Well, so finally the board is appearing here. Stop screen sharing. Sweta, share your screen.
Okay, sir.
You please observe. She received a mail. Did Ajay send any mail to developer? Automatically Jira software triggered a mail explaining the work. From Scrum Master account to the developer account, code for new branch creation, summary and description. Now the developer has a clarity, okay, these are work assigned to me. The Scrum Master no need to message, no need to call the developer, I assigned a work to you, I assigned a work to you, nothing. Soon after it is submitted in the Jira tool, automatically Jira software will send a mail notification to the assigned people, developers and testers. Okay, stop screen sharing.
Okay, sir.
You see here, from the Scrum Master account to my email ID, I received a mail, write test cases for new branch creation. Execute test cases for new branch creation. 2 tasks are given to me. When I click view issue, from here I will be redirected to the Jira server. That Ajay123. I have to log in with my account. I log into this account. I already log in now. When I go to the board, when I click my email ID, my account, only the works assigned to me visible to me here. I am not seeing developer work. Actually here every account is admin account. I click my profile name here. By default it will show everything. But generally in a real-time scenario, once you log in, only the works assigned to you will be visible on your board. But here every ID is admin account, everything is visible. Got it? So if you log in, only the work assigned to me will be visible. Now people will start working on it. So tomorrow we'll discuss how these developers and testers work. After working, what Scrum Master will do. Hope till this point is clear, right?
Yes,
Shweta, you are available today, right? Tomorrow, right?
yes, sir. I'm available.
Right then. And in between, one moment. Ajay, Shweta, till tomorrow the class session done. Understanding the Jira tool. Many people, our students are understanding the concept based on the same Jira account. You do not operate it till the Jira session done. No, I demonstrated something.
Okay, sir.
Shweta, you and Ajay, do not
Okay,
operate
sir.
the same account till the session is done.
Okay,
Because you
sir.
created something else, you deleted, again the people will be confused what happened. Once this training is done, later you, whatever you want to do, you can play with the Jira tool.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you. Tomorrow we. Thank you, online TV. Continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.